You can never go wrong with meatballs. Turkey, beef, but these are chicken, and they're great for a quick little nibble to throw together if you have friends coming over and you need to open up a bottle of wine, because you always need to open up a bottle of wine.
Cheers.
So I am making chicken meatballs with a yogurt cucumber sauce. So I'm gonna get all my seasoning in with the egg first, just so I can blend everything together. So paprika, salt, coriander and cumin. I use dry thyme, pepper, and I'm just gonna get that all together. I like doing it this way just because I feel like I can evenly distribute everything. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my garlic, parsley, and my onions. This is not pretty, but I promise it'll be good. What's your best tools? My hands. And that's what I'm gonna do with this. So we're gonna put the meat in. It's about a pound of chicken. I'm just gonna mix this together. There is something satisfying about this, I don't know why. So to bind this together, I have panko crumbs, which are Japanese breadcrumbs. So you wanna get that mixed in really well. How big should I make them? Like, if you want to get really precise, you could get out an ice cream scoop. But who has time for that? So I'm just eyeballing it. This is how big they should be. So I got about 20 meatballs out of this. And again, you can make them this size, you can make them smaller, you can make them bigger, but know that that's gonna affect your cooking time. So I'm gonna put these in at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. So while the meatballs are cooking, I'm gonna mix up a little of the cucumber sauce. Really easy. I'm using a 2% Greek yogurt, fresh lemon juice. The old-fashioned way of getting fresh lemon juice. A little bit of salt. I'm using white pepper, just because I don't wanna see the black. A little cumin, fresh garlic, shallot, fresh Italian parsley, and the fresh mint, just gonna brighten it and give it a nice cooling flavor. I'm just gonna mix all that together. Remember to check your salt to make sure it's to your liking. So if you need a little bit more, go ahead and put a little bit more in. So I don't want the sauce to be watery, so I'm gonna take the seeds out of the cucumbers. And you can do that by going in one way and coming in another. That's it. So I'm gonna cut this up to a nice small dice, so you have a nice good bite size. So you wanna know the difference between the English cucumbers that I'm using and a regular cucumber. These have smaller seeds or less seeds, and they're a little bit sweeter. I like these better in salads. So now I'm gonna add in the chopped cucumber, and we're just gonna mix that in. And remember, the seeds are gone, so it's not gonna get watery. And that's it. A little side dipping sauce to go with your meatballs. They're ready. So there's the chicken meatballs. I would probably drink a Sauvignon Blanc with this. And this cucumber sauce would be perfect with salmon or some other fish dish. So it's pretty multi-purpose. Enjoy. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more videos or find more recipes and find this recipe, go to appetizinglife.com. Bye. The old-fashioned way of getting fresh lemon. The old-fashioned, making it rain, parsley.